Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add Dogecoin to Coinomi Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Coinomi application if you're doing this on your mobile device. If you're doing this on a web browser, go to the official website of Coinomi. Go ahead and open up your Coinomi Wallet application, and once you're inside, from the main homepage, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Tap on Add Coins button from the expanded menu, and from the options displayed on the screen, look for Dogecoin and give it a tap. Once you've selected the coin, tap the plus icon at the bottom right, and now enter your wallet password in order to confirm your selection. After you type in your password, tap Unlock. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add Dogecoin to your Coinomi Wallet homepage. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.